Hey guys, we're gonna make some slime. So first thing we're gonna need is this shampoo. So let's cut it out. Let's cut it. Also cut it. Ooh! Okay, so let's start it. Ooh, this sounds cool.
Great.
Yes, it's great. Yeah, it's great. Well, let's just there. Ooh, it's bubbly bubbly. Let's just put all of the shampoo.
Next, we'll put sabun in the water.
Let's get them on.
Nice, friends. Guys.
Whoa! Ooh.
This is
Okay, let's get like that. Okay, so so we need some salt. Oh wait, I'm gonna get some salt. Okay, get some salt. Where is the salt? Here, it's the salt.
no sugar.
It's not sugar. It's a salt. Oh, by the way, let's mix it like that.
But it's color blue.
Yeah, so I think this slime will be color blue. Look how sticky it is.
Maybe the slime will be smells good if it's color blue. Blue.
Yeah, blue, blue, blue. So here we go. It must be
Until it will sticky. No,
So you're always gonna mix it until it will be sticky.
Let's put still more salt.
No,
Last na.
no, because if you have too much, salt, it will not be slime. It will be liquidy. It will not be sticky. It will be liquidy.
Hard.
Yeah, it will be
Kahit.
not sticky.
And then, sorry guys, I forgot guys. That's
Okay.
hard. That's our playmate. And
Ooh, this is
that
cool.
water. We don't need that water.
Okay, so here we go. It's sticky. So thank you for watching my video, guys. Bye.